Welcome to the S-CAD domain-based learning. In this tutorial, we learn about the Sketcher workbench. So initially, we hide the default plane and axis system. Never use this default plane and axis system because it exists at 0 0. So we create new axis system by taking new point and new axis. We take new body to create a sketch. From this we can change the part name. Also we change the body name by using the same procedure. Now we create a sketch with the position sketch. First we draw the profile with line. So this is simple line command. If we double click, it continues. By pressing the escape, we release this command. Now we use the profile. So by using this, we continuously draw the any profile which we want. Also this command end with pressing the escape button. Now second profile is rectangular profile. Just simple rectangle, click to the one point. And just release. And the second 2-point rectangular. We select 2 point first, one, the second, and then release. Here a 2-point rectangle. Now parallelogram. In most of case, we use the first simple rectangle. All this for the information. Now this is rectangle start from the center. This is downward arrow is the exit workbench. Now we see the circular profiles. First simple circle with point and radius. Then second type is 3-point circle. We need to select the 3 point. Then third is the coordinate circle, in which we need to give the radius or horizontal or vertical distance from the center of axis system. Also we change the coordinate of the circle, also the radius of the circle, by using this type. Type is tangent circle. So simply we select the edges. We got circle. This is arc, 3-point arc. This is line we draw, and we need to make it construction, so we select the construction line command. Okay, and if this construction command on, always we got this construction line. So to again convert into line, we need to select this line and of the construction line command. Also this is when we on this command, we see the one graphical type of representation in the background of the CATIA Sketcher. Also by we on this the command, we put a point only at the line locations. Okay, also for a line, it only we put a line only in the 30-degree intervals. When we remove this, we can put a line at any angle from 0 to whatever the angle you want to put the line. So always of this command. Now here we start to draw the first simple sketch. Just we create a one rectangle. Giving fillets in the sketch, and due to improper mouse movement, we disturb a sketch from its normal view. So here is a command to fix this view. This is normal view, we need to select. Just we got this sketch, to the proper position. Also, the sketch is move as small from the location. We need to press the Ctrl R. So we got all the fit image on the screen. So if this happen, we need to press the Ctrl R, or also press from here fit to screen. Okay, this is the view, front view, side view, top view, bottom view, isoparametric view, and fit in wall. And the last, if this occurs small. Thank you.